Cycling isn't just a means of transport, it's a lifestyle, a passion, and a connection to the world around us. Whether you're a dedicated commuter or a fervent enthusiast, one thing is universal: the need for the perfect bike trunk bag. In this comprehensive review, we're about to unveil the top 5 bike trunk bags that are set to revolutionize your cycling experience. These bags aren't just carriers, they're your cycling companions, designed to make your rides more organized, efficient, and enjoyable. Our journey begins with an in-depth exploration of each trunk bag's features, durability, waterproofing, and the ease with which they can be mounted to your bike. Whether you're a fan of the daily commute, a seasoned adventurer, or somewhere in between, we have scoured the market to ensure that there's a trunk bag tailored to meet your unique needs. From waterproofing to reflective elements and versatile storage solutions, these bike trunk bags have been rigorously tested and evaluated. We're here to provide you with the insight you need to make an informed decision about which bag best complements your cycling lifestyle. So let's dive into our top 5 bike trunk bags and discover how they can elevate your biking adventures. And as we wrap up, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more cycling wisdom. Your support keeps us pedaling forward. Ranked at a commendable 5th position in our lineup of bike trunk bags, the ROCKBROS is a noteworthy contender in the realm of bike accessories. With its hard-shell waterproof design, it offers impressive waterproof performance, ensuring your gear stays dry even in the most inclement weather. The fold-out pockets on both sides of the ROCKBROS bike bag add to its practicality, making it a durable and easily maintainable choice. This bike trunk bag doesn't compromise on craftsmanship, as it's built to withstand wear and tear, guaranteeing a long service life. It's equipped with side bags that are just the right size for carrying your daily essentials, bike tools, water bottles, clothing, cycling accessories, and supplies for multi-day trips. The bag's organization is top-notch, featuring a main compartment, 2 side pockets, a top zip pouch, and 2 inner mesh pockets. What sets the ROCKBROS apart is its versatility. It can be used as a bike rack bag, bike tool bag, commuter bag, or even a handbag, thanks to its adjustable shoulder strap. The bag's central compartment is slightly rigid and insulated, making it perfect for keeping items at the desired temperature. Safety is paramount, and this bag takes that seriously. It boasts a large area of reflective fabric for enhanced visibility at night and a rear loop for attaching a taillight, not included, ensuring a safer riding experience in low-light conditions. West Biking has certainly made its mark as a formidable player in the fiercely competitive world of bike trunk bags, securing a well-deserved 4th place in our rankings. The underseat storage bag it offers is nothing short of exceptional, boasting an ample 8/6L main compartment with 3 inner mesh pockets, ensuring impeccable organization for your essentials. This bag takes versatility to the next level with a top elastic drawstring, enabling you to secure items like a bike pump, umbrella, or extra clothing with ease. Crafted from 600D Oxford fabric coated with PU and featuring EVA material, it combines water resistance, durability, and lightweight design, making it a breeze to clean. In case of unexpected downpours, rest easy knowing the bag's fully waterproof double zipper and included rain cover will safeguard your belongings. Safety is paramount when you're on the road, and West Biking's design incorporates reflective webbing and logos to enhance nighttime visibility. A handy hanger on the strip ensures you can attach a taillight for added safety during nighttime or low-light rides. Plus, with a side water bottle bag, staying hydrated during your journey is a breeze. Installation and stability are also top priorities for this bag. 3 adjustable Velcro straps make it a breeze to attach and detach, ensuring that your bag stays securely in place without shifting or budging, even during the most demanding rides. The versatility doesn't stop there, as this bag easily transitions from a bike trunk bag to a shoulder bag or handbag, depending on the occasion. With a handle and adjustable shoulder strap, it's a practical choice not only for cycling, but also for various other activities like travel, camping, picnics, and more. West Biking's offering is a true all-rounder that doesn't disappoint. Subscribe now for cycling updates, gear reviews, and riding inspiration. Elevating your cycling experience to new heights, the HONGYEA bike trunk bag firmly secures the remarkable third spot on our list, presenting a compelling addition to your bike accessories arsenal. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this bike rack bag is constructed from a combination of TPU softshell and Oxford cloth, offering a blend of waterproof performance, durability, lightweight convenience, and easy maintenance. Its tarp-stick PVC design, complemented by a provided rain cover, ensures your belongings remain dry and secure, even in the face of relentless rain showers. The bag's clever design doesn't stop at its material composition. Foldable pockets offer versatile capacity to meet a range of needs, making it suitable for daily commuting and short-distance rides. A removable divider within the bag helps maintain its shape and protect your possessions. Two interior side pockets further aid in keeping your essentials well organized, while two snap straps on the top offer additional attachment options for items like bicycle pumps, umbrellas, or extra clothing. One notable feature is the folding Velcro closure, enhancing waterproofing compared to traditional zippers and ensuring easy access to your items within. Safety on the road is a priority, with reflective webbing and logos enhancing visibility at night, and hooks on the reflective strip enabling taillight attachment for added security during nighttime and low-light conditions. Installation is a breeze with 3 adjustable Velcro straps, ensuring maximum stability and security. The bag remains firmly in place, even during vigorous rides, eliminating the risk of shifting or moving and preventing interference with your wheels. Versatility is a hallmark of this bag, seamlessly transitioning from a bike trunk bag to a shoulder bag or handbag to suit the occasion. Earning a well-deserved second place in our rankings, the JXFUKAL bike trunk bag is a true standout in the world of cycling accessories. Crafted from a blend of PU leather and polyester, this bag boasts remarkable durability, water-repellent capabilities, and easy cleaning, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of the road. What's more, it comes complete with a rain cover that provides comprehensive protection for both the trunk and its contents, shielding them from dirt, sand, water, rain, and snow. Inside this bike carrier bag, you'll discover a thoughtfully designed layout. The main compartment, extra top zippered pocket, and adjustable elastic cord work in harmony to keep your riding essentials meticulously organized. With a generous 7-liter capacity, it can accommodate a variety of items, from wallets, phones, and power banks, to small speakers, towels, t-shirts, food, drinks, bike locks, tools, water bottles, and sunglasses. Safety is paramount, and JXFUKAL addresses this with reflective strips that significantly enhance nighttime visibility. Furthermore, a rear belt is included for attaching a taillight, further elevating your safety while cycling in low-light conditions. The bag's user-friendly design extends to its easy attachment to the rear bike or e-bike rack, secured in place with 2 Velcro straps. Inside, thin PE foam adds an extra layer of protection for your gear. When not in use, the bag conveniently collapses flat, saving you space and hassle. In terms of portability and weight, this bag excels, making it a versatile companion for various occasions, whether it's picnics, backpacking, commuting, or hiking. No matter where your journey takes you, the JXFUKAL bike trunk bag is your trustworthy partner, combining functionality, style, and durability for an exceptional cycling experience. Subscribe now for more exciting content and stay updated with us. ROCKBROS, a shining exemplar in our carefully curated selection of bike trunk bags, cements its unwavering supremacy in the cycling accessory domain. The ROCKBROS bike trunk bag stands out with its exceptional construction, featuring carbon composite leather that not only exudes strength and durability, but is also impressively water resistant. This bag's 34-liter capacity is expansive, providing ample storage for your biking adventures, and can be further expanded with the clever use of zippers to transform it into a bike pannier when you require additional space. ROCKBROS prides itself on delivering a bike trunk bag with intricate craftsmanship and versatility. Included are 2 shoulder straps, allowing you to easily convert it into a messenger bag, catering to your on-the-go travel needs. Its portable design seamlessly integrates into your travel life, while the padded interior serves to dampen shocks during your cycling journeys, ensuring your belongings remain safe and unharmed. The bag's user-friendly features continue with a detachable partition that grants you flexibility in organizing your items. Designed to maintain its structure and shape even during extensive use, it offers a dependable shield for your clothing, shoes, phone, cameras, kettle, and other belongings that you entrust to the bike trunk bag with confidence. In essence, the ROCKBROS bike trunk bag is more than just a bag. It's a reliable companion that enhances your cycling adventures with its remarkable water resistance, spacious capacity, versatile usability, and unwavering protection. It perfectly embodies the blend of form and function, showcasing why it's a paragon of excellence in the realm of bike trunk bags. In conclusion, these top 5 bike trunk bags offer an array of options to suit every rider's needs. Your biking experience can be greatly improved with the right choice. If you found this review helpful, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more cycling insights and reviews. Your support keeps us rolling.